So today I have got a very, very long awaited package. This is the Hello Kitty Doc Martens 50 years anniversary release. So this year they brought out a 60th anniversary release, but way back in 2010 this collection came out. And if you're anything like me and you love your Doc Martens, you might know about this one, but this one kind of almost flew under the radar. Like, I've not really seen anyone wear them. The whole collection was really cute. I genuinely prefer it to the current one, which is why when they announced the current one and it jogged my memory, I went on eBay. I paid about retail for these, and I don't normally do that with dogs. I have a lot of pairs and I love them all, but I am so excited for these. So if we have a look at the box, we've got a special Sanrio sticker, the normal Doc Martens box. The rest of the box is the same as you would get for any Doc Marten. I don't think they did special edition boxes as much back in 2010. This was around the time I got my first pair of adult-sized Doc Martens as well, which I might do a collection tour soon. So yeah, this is an exciting opening. I'm not going to show you the design label because I know what they are, but I think it's a nice surprise. So open it up. So yeah, these are second-hand. Yeah, 9th of June 2010 was their manufacturing or / boxing date. I don't know what the dates exactly are, but every time I've bought a pair it's been the year I've bought it, so I'm presuming it's the date they were put in their box. First thing we've got is some cute Sanrio tissue. So once again, same as on the box, we've got little twin stars, we've got Hello Kitty, we've got Bad Maru, we've got My Melody, and we've got Karaoke on the Doc Martens Sanrio. This collection had one of the cutest pairs of boots that had like a whole mix of Sanrio characters on, like as an all-over print. That's not what I got, obviously. This box is a bit smaller than the boot boxes, but I did get these beauties. Okay, so I wasn't sure how, like, I had a vague idea of how worn these were going to be, but this, I don't think they've ever actually been worn. So these are the Hello Kitty Mary Janes. They are a matte Mary Jane with a hot pink sole and a hot pink bow. I mostly bought these to wear with my Toy Drops OP. Thinking about it, I might try it with Fantastic Dolly, see how it goes. The little bow is Hello Kitty's signature bow. The soles are plain pink. Also, these have hardly any wear, hardly any dirt. I don't know how someone went 10 years with these beauties and hardly wore them. Like, there's hardly a crease. I mean, obviously, these will get broken in. I do wear my Doc Martens, you know, on a semi-daily basis. Actually, no, I have one pair I wear every day. But, you know, I wear Doc Martens a lot. They get worn in, they get broken down. So that's the first shoe. I imagine the other one under another layer is much the same. I'm just going to pop that there. Yeah, the other one is the same. The buckle was undone again. I haven't tried these on yet, but they are super duper cute. I am very happy with these. So there we go. We have both of them together if I don't drop them. Honestly, I prefer these to my original Mary Janes, which are very worn in. I had the ones that came with interchangeable bows on this part that were patent. I prefer the shape of these. They're a bit more rounded. Mine are a bit more of a typical point. I know these are still a point, but for docs this is relatively rounded. I'll probably do a little comparison. Oh, I hadn't shown the inside. They have a little Sanrio Doc Martens limited edition Hello Kitty stamp on the leather inside. I wish they did more with hot pink soles. I feel like I haven't seen any with them. Hey Doc Martens, here's a product idea. All one colour boot. Have you done this? Does anyone know if they've done this? I would pay money for green ones. Hey, this is editing Steph. They did actually do this. There is a men's all-in-one primary colour collection. Or like Converse and Vans have both done it, where you can custom design them. I would love some to go with my Aliens JSK that are blue with green soles. I think that would look really cool. Okay, and finally, in the box, oh, we have the original tag, which is pretty cool. These definitely were like a purchase that was loved but not worn. And then the tote bag, which is super cute. I'm so happy it came with the tote. I was not expecting to ever get the tote, really. But yeah, it's got a cute little Sanrio badge and limited edition Doc Martens. I don't know if the tote was a separate purchase or if it was something that you got with it automatically. I don't know. What I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly go and grab one of my Mary Janes and then compare it with these. Okay, I lied. I forgot I had the hot pink sparkly Mary Janes and then my good old, my classic ones. These ones, as you can probably tell, are starting to show their age. These are 8, I believe, maybe even 9. The pleather has started to crack. It's taken it nearly a decade to do that. These are very much worn, broken in Doc Martens, but I feel like actually it's the patent that makes it look like it has a pointier toe. I'm not sure why I thought that was a different shape, but yeah, these are the exact same size. In theory, they should be the same cut. Obviously, I could go down the route of wearing odd shoes, but I feel like it's a bit much with these. Then I also brought a pink one. This is actually a children's one. It's they collect dust like nothing else if you leave them sat for about 20 days. Yeah, I haven't worn these very often. They're a little bit small for me, but that's mostly because I've only worn them maybe 3 times. So you will notice there is a bit of a size difference. I can wear anywhere between like a kid's 5.5 and an adult 7 in Doc Martens, because their shoes are pretty forgiving. So yeah, that's the difference between those two. I'm really a fan of these. I'm so glad I got them. What I'll probably do is throw in the rest of the collection, I would say here, but my video editor program is not that high tech, so after this you'll see the rest of the collection. But so this is the 2010 collection, so you can see my pink ones on the right. I did not know they did those white ones. And then this is the current one. Feel free to give me your opinions as to which one you prefer in the comments. I thought it was worth me filming a little bit of how these shoes actually look worn. A lot of people find that Doc Martens can make their feet look bigger, but honestly that's not really something I really care about. I know these are I hope you enjoyed that video of me talking nonsense about a new pair of Doc Martens, a new to me pair of Doc Martens, and I'll see you next time.